All right, so I have an extremely busy life, as a lot of you guys know, between my business, us building this build on the channel, which is extremely time consuming, running the roads to the racetrack, the little bit I do go now because life's so busy. I don't have a lot of time to take care of either of these vehicles. As you know from the description and the title of this video, we're gonna check out this product that I didn't even know existed. However, if this thing works, this thing honestly might become one of my favorite items to have around. There's plenty of times where I go to jump in this truck to leave to go to the racetrack or whatever truck I have at that time, and you're gonna be driving for 2 hours, and well, that's just messy. Okay, you want to kick your shoes off and let your feet breathe, but you don't necessarily want to put your socks in all this dirt. To detail these, when we buy these vehicles, and I switch being a dealer, we do a detail with a shop vac like a lot of people, wash and clean, but then that's about it. They pretty much don't get detailed again until we sell them. So if this product works, then this is gonna be a game changer, because I will be able to, right before we go on a trip, or if I'm waiting for the wife to load the vehicle with the kids or whatever, I can literally just run over the feet area. Let's see here. So it looks like it also multi-purpose, as it has suction, it pumps, inflates, blows, does everything. So it might pump up air mattresses and stuff. Check out their website. This is their website. Also, the link will be in the description. There's their email if you need to reach out to them. Let's see here. 5 volts, the model number. Let's open this thing up and check it out. Here's the one that we got, the model number we got. And again, the link will be in the description. When you open up the package, this is everything you got. Looks like it comes with a couple of attachments that just simply plug right in, which is kind of cool. Has the little brush on it for the extension. Looks like it has a little detail brush for possibly getting inside vents, nooks and crannies. Has a little end on it for getting inside your air vents maybe and scraping junk out. Has other attachments to go on it, looks like to inflate with. I can tell you from having kids, I got 3 of my own, this is for like swimming pools and stuff. So if you ever had to pump up pools or air mattresses, normally that's what the end looks like. So it appears that we can use this as a remote way to not have to run a drop cord out to pump up their pool or whatever it might be that takes air. Has the carrying bag, which normally I don't use, but in this situation I 100% would use, because I'm going to keep this in the truck underneath the seat. This will be a product that will not just get thrown to the side, not used. I will use this. When you first get it, it does look like it's fully charged. So if we hold the button down, it comes on into eco mode. You can hear it. One more time, it goes up to max. One more time, it cuts off. Looks like it has a metal filter inside there. Looks like that has a lock picture on it. I can do it one-handed. So let's see here. Yes, that is going to be a filter. So it looks like this is going to be a replacement filter. I'll have to check the instructions real fast. Oh, it just comes right off. Yes, so they send you a replacement filter in case that one messes up. And then I'm guessing on their website you would be able to buy other filters if needed. We'll have to check into that and see the serviceability of it. Comes with your charging cord, which is another super nice thing, is you can charge this in your truck or car off your cell phone charger. Super easy. It's like instruction manual is going to tell you all the basics. Do not absorb water. So it's not going to be a wet vac. Let's see here. Everything else, place in the car away from direct sun. So a lot of this is going to be just basic stuff. Shows you the breakdown of the product. It's a Type-C charging port. User's manual cleaning brush, 2 filters, extra replacement, the nozzles. So it just goes over what comes with it, which is pretty self-explanatory. The question is, how does this thing work? So we're gonna put this thing straight to the test here in the driveway. See what happens. We'll start out with the brush attachment on it, which I don't know is necessary. It definitely will help loosen up the sand and get in there. Let's see here. Turn on eco mode. It is 100% sucking the stuff up. Now, of course, it's no shop vac, but I'm not looking for a shop vac. It's getting inside all the nooks and crannies. It reaches around the seat. Oh, there was a piece of glass back there. Don't want that on my kids' feet. If you recall, we rebuilt this truck on the channel. This was a salvage. This is the area that I'm worried about. Look at that. Like I said, who wants to put their clean socks in a bunch of dirt if you want to kick your shoes off on the road trip? You can even stop at the rest area while the kids are using the bathroom and clean up a mess if you have to. Actually, very impressive, and I have it on eco mode, so it's not wide open. If you recall a second ago, I showed you how when you push that button, it turns up at a higher volume, higher suction. It's sucking the little glass shards up that have fell out the dash. It's picking up all the dirt, all the stones, and doing it actually extremely well. I am sincerely impressed. I felt like the product should work, but just like that, in real time, we cleaned up that mat where there's not sand in it, and it picked up quite a bit actually. Let's kick up the volume and see what it'll do. So we hold it down, turn it on max. I really don't feel like it needs max. I feel like that this thing did plenty good in eco mode. This is gonna be good inside the car seats area if you have kids. I mean, I'm sincerely impressed with that. That's really easy. It would be good inside all of these pockets up here. Let's see here. We got some food and stuff from being on the road. Everybody knows that you eat McDonald's in your vehicle on the road. Let's see here. So it took all that out. Took all the little crumbs from your biscuits and your hash browns last week when you were eating in the truck. Oh, that was glass in the seat, a little tiny shard. Look at that. Got it out of all the cracks. Dude, that's awesome. Let's get down in here. So it gets down inside all your pockets. That's honestly impressive. So this is carpet back here. And I'm doing this one-handed. It wouldn't be jumping around so bad if I put the phone down and focus on what I was doing. Cleaned all that right up. All that grass. As you can see, we have a lot of stuff. Dude, first use, I'm gonna give this product a 10 out of 10, honestly. I mean, I don't see how you could improve on that. That thing works good. Let's see here, let's open this up so it doesn't fall out. You turn it that way, I don't wanna lose. Try to do this one-handed. Oh, okay, it ain't gonna fall out like that. Let's turn it like this. That out, let's see how much. Oh, now it all wanted to fall out that end because I took the filter out. Let's see here. Look at that. Wow. So just that little bit. Look, it literally picked up all that fine dirt. That's really fine. That's impressive. And it's still coming out. It's what it did is the metal grate captures it all inside of it. So, dude, this right here definitely is a win in my book. 100%, man. Throw it on the charger, keep it in the vehicle, keep it in a bag under the back seat. When you got a free moment like that, you know, I literally just knocked that out. I'm about to leave, go pick my daughter up literally from school. And now my front feet compartment is clean. That fast, that simple. I'm going to leave the link, like I said, in the description. This is the company. Check them out if you want to search them yourself. Give them a go, man. Read the description because I'm going to leave a link and everything you need. And if you have been looking for something like this, or maybe you're like me and you didn't even know that this even freaking existed, this is a game changer, in my opinion. Thanks, y'all.